Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to sell stock on eToro. So if you want to sell stock on eToro, here is a easy guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open your eToro platform and log into your account. After that, navigate to your portfolio section to see all the instruments you are currently trading. After that, then select the stock, which is click on the stock you wish to sell. This will open up the details of your position and the initial sale. After that, on the web version, or if you're on the web version, just click on the sell button next to the position you wish to close, and if it is on the mobile app, tap on the position you wish to close, then tap on close trade. At the bottom, alternatively swipe left on the position and tap the X, then tap on sell at the bottom. Then review the details of your order and click on sell to execute the trade. Then your request will be executed during the market hour, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and follow for more. Thank you.